Your stomach has 3 muscle layers and a built-in acid factory, but it can't digest carbs? Let's find out why the stomach is smarter and stranger than you think. The stomach is a thick-walled organ composed of 3 layers of muscles: longitudinal, oblique, and circular muscles. Did you know? The stomach's inner lining replaces itself every 3 to 4 days to survive its own acid bath. You're walking around with a self-digesting organ, and it's winning the battle. At each end of the stomach are sphincters. A sphincter is a muscular constriction that acts like a valve regulating the passage of food. The esophageal sphincter separates the esophagus and the stomach. It prevents the backflow of food from the stomach to the esophagus. The pyloric sphincter separates the stomach and the small intestine. It holds food in the stomach until the digestion in the stomach completes. The stomach is connected to the first portion of the small intestine called the duodenum. There are 2 types of digestion that occur in the stomach: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the breaking down of larger food into smaller ones by physical means. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the stomach muscles mix food. Chemical digestion is the breaking down of complex food molecules into smaller ones by means of enzymes. Here's a quick challenge. Can you name the 3 stomach muscle layers in reverse order in 5 seconds? Comment below, and let's see how fast your brain churns like your stomach. The stomach starts protein digestion with a bang. It secretes the gastric juice that contains pepsin and hydrochloric acid. Pepsin digests protein into smaller polypeptides. Young animals contain renin that coagulates caseinogen into casein. The hydrochloric acid creates an acidic environment suitable for pepsin, as this enzyme works well in an acidic environment. Hydrochloric acid also kills bacteria in food. Interestingly, no chemical digestion of carbohydrates or lipids happens in the stomach. It's a protein-only party here. To recap, the stomach is a thick-walled organ composed of 3 layers. It has sphincters at both ends. The esophageal sphincter separates the esophagus and the stomach. The pyloric sphincter separates the stomach and the small intestine. There are 2 types of digestion that occur in the stomach: mechanical digestion, and chemical digestion is performed by the peristaltic movement of the 3 layers of the stomach muscles that mix the food. The chemical digestion is performed by the pepsin enzyme, an enzyme in the gastric juice secreted by the stomach. Pepsin digests protein into smaller polypeptides. The gastric juice also contains hydrochloric acid that provides an acidic environment for pepsin to work on. It also kills bacteria in food. Your stomach is an acidic blender with intelligent valves and enzyme-loaded firepower, but it still can't touch a potato chip. Now that you know the mysteries of the stomach, in the next video, we'll travel into the small intestine where real absorption begins. Stay tuned. Stay curious.